हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 12th के लिए हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं वो है इवोल्यूशन। और इवोल्यूशन में हमें आज जो हमने टॉपिक लिया है वो है म्यूटेशन थ्योरी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। द थ्योरी वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय द हागो डिवेरीज इन 1901 इन हिज बुक द म्यूटेशन थ्योरी। 1901 सन हागो डिवेरीज साइंसदान, बायोलॉजिस्ट वनोस, नेचुरलिस्ट वनोस। अम हसा दिस थ्योरी म्यूटेशन थ्योरी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। अम थ्योरी हिसाब क्या वोन अम दोपन इवोल्यूशन यह जर्की एंड डिसकंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस, यानी यह जर्की ग अचानक ते डिसकंटिन्यू यह ग मज रुक ते, which is caused by the appearance of certain discontinuous inheritable genetic variations. At मज genetic variation, inheritable genetic variation थे गसित saltations गसन or mutations that attain full consistency at once and give rise to useful, useless and harmful. यानी युस हसा यह म्यूटेशन यह इस पर तैयार गसन यह राइज दिवान न्यू एलिमेंट्री स्पीशीज. So mutations are thus raw materials of evolution. यानी mutations नई चेंज गसान तम नई evolution खतर आसान तिहुंद raw material. There are of three types: useful, useless and harmful. यम जन mutations गसान तम पत आसान कह mutation गसान यम जन useful आस, कह गसान useless आस, कह गसान यम जन नुकसान दे आस. Nature eliminates most of the harmful mutations. खुदाई कुदरत यह हसा eliminate करान यम जन harmful mutations आसान. It selects the useful mutation. यम सुन डिहागो सुन वन कि nature has to select karan useful variation of the species that is progressive. The organism possesses never more elaborate traits. For example, Inthroa gagus with large leaves and flower. Acha. Ornithroa robineus red-veined. Retrogressive organisms show loss of reduction of characters. For example, Ornithra nila, small-sized plant. Ornithra levifolia, narrow leaves. Digressive organisms are weak with low survival. For example, Ornithra albida, non-synthesis of chlorophyll. Inconstant. So organisms resemble parents but occasionally produce variants. यानी तम प्लांट मिसाल बॉटनी मज यम जन रलान पन्निस फोर फादरस सत या पन्निस पेरेंट प्लांट सत, मगर कैंसन मज यूजफुल कैरेक्टर्स, कैंसन मज डिग्रेसिव, कैंसन मज रिट्रोग्रेसिव, कैंसन मज इनकॉन्स्टेंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड वेरिएशन, दिस इज कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन. हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड क्या थ्योरी म्यूटेशन थ्योरी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन क्या हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड. डिवेरीज जो बायोलॉजिस्ट था, he was born in 1848 and he lived up to 1935. As a director of botanical gardens, Amsterdam found the appearance of new inheritable variations in several wild and cultivated plants. Aim wuch pannis botanical gardens mus, Amsterdam mus, yo director of botanical gardens, aim wuch tat kenzan plantan mus, yem dana wild te ais, yani kudrati te os jangli, ya yem dana cultivative karimiti ais, variations gasan. The variations were not connected with the normal character of the species by any intermediates. Variations that gasan connect gasan normal character they were called mutations. Mutations. The mutant or the variant plants were named elementary species. Elementary species. Deveries found mutations also called discontinuous variations or saltations. Digoverizos, they found him. He said that mutant or variant plants were named elementary species. As elementary species. He studied the plants for 7 generations, performing self-pollination. In each generation, Deveries studied 543 plants. 83 of them exhibited noticeable variations. The remaining were normal. Both types were allowed to undergo self-pollination. Majority of the offspring of normal plants were normal. A few possessed noticeable mutations. The mutants of our elementary species also bred true, producing mutant along with some plants which proposed more mutations than parents. The trend continued for all generations, stated by the De Various. अब इसके फ्यूचर्स क्या है ये हम दूसरे लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. These are theoretical topics. We have to study them in detail. In next lecture, we will deal with the features of the evolution given by the De Vries. So mutation theory of evolution were proposed by in conclusion, Hugo De Vries in his book Mutation Theory. According to the theory, evolution is a jerky and discontinuous process which is caused by the appearance of certain discontinuous inheritable genetic variations, saltations, or mutations.